Hey, so I loved your energy, and you know, you look so happy. I thought, you know, just taking a photo isn't enough, so I wanted to print it to give it to you, so you have that memory forever.
Oh, this is really nice. We've never had a picture like this.
59 years?
Yes, way before you were born.
All along I believed I would find you. Time has brought your heart to
Can I actually ask you a question?
Yeah.
Because you guys have such a good energy together. You look so happy together. That's, you know, that's what.
Oh my god.
You guys are a couple, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
She's a unique person. I love being around all the time.
Oh, that's so cute. BK, we're able to capture that.
Oh, you printed this. I'm happy to find.
Yeah,
I'm
so happy to
find
find
you, dude.
Thank you. Happy to find you
you.
too.